In this part, we are going to talk about the async-await. Normally, when we create a function like message, and we return you have new message, and then we can console.log the message, and you will receive this text inside the console. And actually, we can change this to arrow function that we just learned. But when we add the async here, you will see instead of popping up the text, you will receive the promise. So in order to get the text, we have to use the message dot then, and then rest console.log rest. Now you still get the message, and also we can also change this to the arrow function. So now instead of putting the async functions, we use the constant message and then equal to async, and then we do not need to return because just putting the arrows already means return. So now you get that you have new message. We can also go to the JSON placeholder to use the to-do list API to demonstrate this async-await. For example, we create a function get to-dos, and then we can add the async here, and then we get the response is equal to await fetch, and then we put the link here. If you remember, the fetch is returning a promise, and then we get the data is equal to await response.json, and then at last we return the data. So now we can use get to-dos dot then, and then to-dos console.log to-dos. And as you can see, it already get the list of to-dos. We can also check whether it's error by using if rest.ok. If rest.ok, then we do the same things, else we throw the error of new error, something went wrong. Now you can try to type the wrong URL, and then we are going to catch the error. Now you see the error message displayed here.